So today I have categorized what we're doing under tips and tricks. We're going to cover how to change your name in Zoom. So you go into Zoom, your name is something like iPhone 7 or something. How do you go in there and change it to your name? We're going to start with how to change your name in Zoom. I thought it would be helpful for you to see it as it shows up on your phone. We talked about this years and years ago, and then we didn't talk about it again. Good reminder. So when you go onto Zoom, does your name show up as something like iPhone 3 or Fire Tablet or something that's not actually what you want to go by? You can actually go in there and change your display name. So it'll come up as your actual name or whatever it is you want to go by. It'll help us identify who's in class. If you have your actual name on there, we know who we're talking to. Like when I'm looking at the chat and I'm asking the presenter questions, I can say this question came from this particular person. So that's helpful to us. And it's nice to know who everyone is. So let me show you how to do that. This is me in a Zoom meeting. So you have to be in a Zoom meeting to do this. This is your screen. You're seeing yourself right now. What you want to do is just tap the screen anywhere and you'll get these controls at the bottom of the screen. You should see that. If not that exact thing, something that looks really similar to that. So you're in Zoom, tap the screen, see your controls down there. And you'll see right now that I'm Smart University on here. So that's what I want to change. And I actually do this every single time I come into the Zoom meeting is I change mine to Francis. So I'll show you exactly how we do this. Those are the controls at the bottom. You're going to click where it says more. There's 3 dots. If you ever are looking for something and you don't see it, see if you can find 3 dots somewhere. And chances are it might be under that name. So in this case, like many cases, you're going to do that. And then you're going to click here where it says participants. Now, when I did this, it was just me in a room by myself because I was practicing and wanted to take pictures of each step. But if you're in university, it'll be however many participants we have, 50, 60, you'll see a number up there. You want to click on participants. So 3 dots for more, and then participants. First one, top left of those options. And then you should see the list of all the participants on here. So everybody as their display name is right now, but yours should be at the top. On your phone, your name will be at the top. You see mine here. And you want to click on that. Click on your current display name. It might be iPhone 1, it might be something like that. But whatever yours is popping up as right now, you want to click on that. And then you want to click on rename. It'll give you the option, but what you want to do here is rename. And then from there, you're going to get a box that looks like this that says enter a new screen name. So mine had said Smart University. I went in and typed in Francis, she, her, and then I'm going to click OK. So you just delete what you have in there, type your new one, and click OK. And then ta-da! I'm Francis and we're all set and I'm identifiable as myself. One thing that is a drag, but just is the case, is you have to do it each time. So you might pop up as iPhone 1 each time you do it, and each time you have to go in there and change your name, which is a little bit of a drag, but now you know how to do it. If you actually have a Zoom account that you've logged into in some other way, there's a way to go in and change it permanently. But I think a lot of you are just joining from the link itself. And if that's the case, you do need to go in there and change your name each time. And then once you're done doing this, you just close the window and you'll be back to your regular screen, the presentation.